Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create poll on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that you just need to stay in the home sections right here, and let's just access the Instagram story camera. You just need to slide your screen into the right side to access the Instagram camera, and after that you just need to go find out the content or the picture that you will use for the basic picture for your poll letter. And here I will like to use these features, which is the layout. I will like to change the grid become the two only, because I have two options to ask. So first will be this, and the second one will be this. And after that we just need to adjust every positions of every picture by pinch with two of our finger and just slide into the specific positions. And when we're done, we just need to go click this checklist button. The next thing we need to do to create a poll, you just need to go click the second icon right here, and after that you just need to go click this poll. And now you need to add the questions that you want to ask into your follower. So here, let's say can't speak help. And after you're done, you just need to go click done, and you can also adjusting the position of the poll into the specific part that you want. And after you're done, you just need to go click add to your story, and you're done. Now you already create a poll on your Instagram application. So for that is for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.